distinguish. Million of colors. Human eyes are a great wonder. Due to specialized cells called cones, your eyes can detect a huge range of colors, even shades that look nearly identical. Eyes transmit data faster than internet. The optic nerve sends signals to the brain at a speed of about 1 million bits per second, which is faster than most Wi-Fi connections in the world. Eyes give an insight to your health. Eyes are a window to the human soul. By examining your eyes, doctors can predict about different diseases like diabetes, anxiety, and high blood pressure. Even Alzheimer's can be detected in early stages. Eyes have inbuilt autofocus. The lens in your eye changes shape instantly to focus the objects that are near or far, a process called accommodation. No camera can match this speed. Eye health is related to your diet. Researchers indicate that eating food rich in vitamin C and E, like red and green vegetables, fish, and nuts, can reduce the chances of age-related eye disorders.